Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Rob from Paragon, and today I'm walking you guys through how to install the carbon fiber waterfall overlay on your car. It is a super easy install, takes a couple minutes, and it's a great way to bring some carbon fiber inside your C8 Corvette. Let's get into it. So the first step is to wipe down the surface where the 3M tape will be touching. You can do that with either alcohol, some sort of cleaner, or like I'm using, an adhesion promoter. So we will just start by wiping that down. All right, now that we have it wiped down with adhesion promoter, we are ready to grab our waterfall cover. Now, if you flip it around, you'll see all the red is the 3M tape. So we need to peel all the red backing off, and then we are just about ready to stick this down. So before I peel off all the backing, there is one step we have to do here with the speaker in order to get it ready to stick down. So we are going to need to pop this speaker up off of the clip here, right underneath kind of where your little plaque is. I like to use two hands. You just need a little bit of force, and just like that, it will pop up, and we are ready to slide that underneath and stick it down. Little tech tip, you can move these seats up angled, so that way it makes it a little easier to slide up in there. Let's go ahead and stick this down. We will simply go up here, lift that speaker, stick it down. I like to hold a little bit of pressure to make sure everything gets stuck down for an extra minute or two. All right, now that we've got it stuck down, we pop that speaker back into place like so, and we are all finished. And there you have it. We are fully installed. Now you're ready to enjoy your carbon fiber waterfall in your C8 Corvette. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Be sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and of course hit the bell notification button. As always, I'm Rob from Paragon, and I'll see you guys in the next one.